In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix. We have detected a problem on your Uber app. So when you're trying to use or process a request for a ride and you are being told there was an error processing your request, please visit in-app help for assistance. Then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, if you logged in using a web-based browser, try and download Uber app and see if this will fix the issue. So for that, go to your Uber app once you have downloaded it and log into your app to see if this works. However, if you are on your app but you are getting the same and it can't work on the web-based browser, then you need to troubleshoot your Uber app. To do this, go to settings on your phone and scroll down to apps. Under apps, look for this option, manage apps. Tap on it to open. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Uber and tap on it to open. From here, go to force stop. Okay. Clear data and clear cache. Okay. And finally, clear all data. Now restart your smartphone. And now if you go to your app and open it, everything should be up and running. But should this not work, then you need to check and then see if we have any update for your Uber app, either through Google Play Store or App Store, and update your app to the latest version. But sometimes this might not work. If that's the case, you'll need to uninstall Uber app and install it afresh to fix this. But should this not still work, then check and then see that you are not using any VPN app on your smartphone. If you have any recently installed VPN app, turn it off or uninstall it, as this might be the reason you are unable to process your requests. However, if this still does not work, then most likely Uber app might have experienced an internal server error. For that, you'll need to wait after some few minutes and try to log into your app, and now you should be able to process your request without any issue. Let me know which of the above was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.